Red Stripe, a global leader in mobile combat medicine, is proud to present the Red Stripe IFAK Combat Medical Kit. Developed and tested by former Special Operations Forces in real-world combat environments, the Red Stripe IFAK offers the world's most versatile and rugged life-saving system for today's frontline operator. Tested in multiple environments under the harshest conditions, it is proven to perform in every climb and place. Made in the USA, the patent-pending Red Stripe IFAK is durably designed to be fully ambidextrous. The zipperless IFAK is low profile, allowing it to be placed where you need it most for quick access. The Red Stripe IFAK comes with 2 external tourniquet sleeves, dual mounting options, and a rapidly deployable interior sleeve with separated, organized bleeding and breathing sections. Ruggedized and lightweight, the Red Stripe IFAK comes in multicam, coyote, and covert black with the option for colored pull tabs. The Red Stripe IFAK. Don't fight without it.